Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest, and I'm back with a new video on how you can delete Phonepe bank account on your device. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First thing, you'll have to log into your Phonepe account, and once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page. And then on the home page, you'll need to tap on the icon or the question mark icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on the icon, next page will be directed to the help center, and then under it you have a list of options. So among the list, you'll need to tap on Phonepe account. After that, once again, there are a list of options, so then you need to tap on deleting an account. And as you tap on deleting an account, next page you'll have the confirmation, and if you're sure about deleting an account, then tap on contact us. As you tap on contact us, this will take you to the page where you need to provide a reason for deleting an account. And if you're sure about deleting an account, tap on confirm. In case if you don't want to delete an account but then there is a problem with the app, then what you can do is you can simply do the same process, that is tap on contact us, and then you can write an email to the customer service itself, and then they'll try to look into your matter. But then if you're sure about deleting an account, then what you need to do is you have to wait for 2 to 3 days, and after that your account will be deleted automatically. So that is how you can delete Phonepe account on your device. That was all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.